Hello, everybody. This is Joshua Hayes of BigWaveTrading.com with the November 26th report for you to use on November 28th. I want to wish everybody off the bat happy Thanksgiving. I hope you are all surrounded by loved ones or people that care about you. And even if you're not, I hope that you still have a wonderful Thanksgiving no matter what. So I hope everybody's doing well out there. Uh, let's look at today's market. Today we had another, yet again, huge update on the indexes, up 3.53 on the 500, up 2.91 on the 30 Dow Jones, and on the NASDAQ, up 4.60%. Now, I said that we would probably rally all week long after Friday. I said it's a holiday short week. It's normally a bullish week. And if we do rally every day, it'll be on lower volume each day. And as you can see in the New York Stock Exchange, lower volume each day. And it compares Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Friday will be around these levels in August. Why won't it go around in a circle, my mouse? All right, there we go. And now that it's getting near, as you'll see, if we go up again tomorrow, it'll be on lower volume again. So each day as we rally, it'll be on low volume. And as you can see already this week, the 3 up days, up 11.85% or 19% off the bottom. An amazing trading rally if you can do the short-term trading. And I would assume it continues on Friday and it'll last to at least the 50-day moving average, which you see is right here. Now, let's look at where the other indexes are. See how much more they have to go. There's the Dow Jones 30, very close. And the NASDAQ, it's almost right there. It has more to go. So you could see the NASDAQ have another good, strong rally, and then only then be ready to roll over. But the New York Stock Exchange, S&P 500, and Dow Jones Industrial Average all look a little bit closer, so it looks like their failure could come sooner. But lower volume rally on each day is not a bullish sign. This right here, higher volume rally each day. But as you can see, the market went nowhere, so that was churning. But if over here had this kind of volume right here, I would say we are probably bottoming. However, I can't say that because the last time around, the VIX did make a new closing high, still did not make an all-time high. The amount of bulls in the Investors Intelligence survey is much higher than it was in October. The amount of bears are lower than what it was in October. Yet the market is making new lows, or has made new lows. So this rally, especially as it goes on lower and lower volume each day, and it coming on a holiday short week, really makes me wonder if this thing's going to last. S&P 600's near there too. So is Russell 2000. Since Friday, they're up 21, 20, 16, 15.5, and 17.9%, which is an amazing trading bounce. However, keep it in perspective. The big money has been made by those who went short in October, went to sleep for a full year and a half, or I mean a full year and a month, woke up and then made their cover at 50% on margin, 100% gain. So your 20% rally is very nice, and it's great to play it, but put it in perspective. This is coming after a post 50% drop-off. So obviously the big, huge money is made on the short side. Look at how many companies have gone to nothing. I mean, look at, let's say if you went short Freddie Mac back there in October. You covered it on its September lows. That's a 99.5% gain right there. Much better than your 20% gain on the indexes. So perspective is needed, without a doubt. One very okay thing to see today was with today's huge price gains. Look at what the dollar did. It could not close at the high of the day, but the fact that it opened near or at the low of the day and still managed to hold on to most of the day's gains and almost close at where it opened yesterday is somewhat bullish, but there is a bearish tail with no bigger supportive tail like it's had the entire uptrend. I still hope Peter Schiff is wrong. He's down 40%, even though he's been right since 2006. Remember, even though nobody cares, in my blog in 2006, I said housing market was going to top. I said it was going to probably get bad, but play the trend. As long as the trend's going up, nothing to worry about. And I made money. But because I don't have millions and millions and millions and billions, no run money, nobody cares. Can you tell I'm bitter? Really? No? Okay. Anyway, let's move on. So dollar, very glad it bounced today. Very happy it bounced. Let's look at some of the commodities that I watch. Platinum, silver, gold. Hello, gold? Oh, there it is. Silver looks the same way. That's why. Oh, no. Just didn't come up. But gold does. Okay. So as you can see, everything is still in a downtrend. Lower highs. Lower lows. And that remains the case. Now, after the small consolidation in October, November, it should have resolved itself to the downside, but instead resolved itself to the upside. So the trend might have definitely changed for gold. Look at gold. Look at GG. Look at G. Oh, I mean, excuse me. GG is the only one. Look at GLD, the tracker. Look at NEM. Look at AUY. And look at KGC. I'm just going off the top of my head. AU. Notice strong accumulation. Even as it was going down. Big green tall bars. Notice the green bop. A lot of green bop. Big accumulation now. There's a change going on. Actually, let's do something a little bit faster for you guys. That'll be nice. Let's go ahead and look at, go back to AUY. Just look at some of these from just right here, the recent rally. That's a 52% rally. That's huge. It's not even the top. SMC not good. AUK looks good. IAG looks good. GFI looks good. AZK, DROOY. They all look like they are trying to put in some form of a low. It's not perfect, but it definitely looks like gold stocks, as you can see, are trying to put in some form of a low to hold on. And actually, one of the bullish looking charts is our gold. One stock I thought was just breaking down back in October. So that's actually one of the more bullish ones. And then you got stocks like AEM that are looking good. I'm just going through the list. I don't want to go through any more, really. Yeah, that's good. You've seen enough. You've seen enough nice ones. EGO uptrend. Let's see. ABX, that's one. Yeah, see with the strong move, volume, green bop. They all look similar. They all look like they're starting to get accumulation. No surprise that NEM is one of the higher priced one. Looks like one of the best. So as you can see there, it does look like that. Combined with the gold index, looks like things are changing. NEM looks good. Looking better. But as you can see, it's got a lot of resistance to fight off. However, big volume surge, big bop surge, great price action. So just needs more time to work on. But things are definitely starting to look right in the gold arena, which makes me nervous that the dollar and this week kind of closed the past 2 days, the not being able to continue to break out from the flag pattern, which I'll keep up until it breaks down below the 50-day moving average, and I'll get rid of the triangles for you just to show you that it's not good at it's failing that. Just puts you in a situation that knows that the market isn't in the healthiest. If this rally was coming on volume going, instead of going this way, I'd be happy. But we don't have that right now. So I can't get too excited about the rally. I would continue to caution for us to fail and roll over. I was up almost nearly 40% at the beginning of the week. Now I got to admit, I've taken a hit, even though I only have 20% short, and all the shorts are still saying, hold me for more gains to the downside, don't cover. The pullback this past week really killed me, like took off 10% of my gains, and I'm now only up a little over 20%. Or a little up, a little under 30%, sorry, right around 28% from, at one point, almost a 40% gain before the Friday rally. So, very interesting that quickly you can lose that much. And hopefully that'll change. Hopefully the pattern will restart down and things will be okay. If not, I'm ready to go long. There's some things setting up. I'm ready for them to break out and go long. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap part 1 up there. There will be a part 2 because too many longs showed up in the scans. So, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I won't have a video probably, well, Friday half a day. What the heck? I'll make a video. All right. Have a great Thanksgiving. Aloha.